Good evening, students. Today let us have grade 10 chemistry board exam revision, that is organic chemistry, which has got more weightage. So exam is on 20th March. We got 10 days of revision. So in this, one important question which was there in 2012 paper, give structural formula for the following. So before you start, I'll just give one small concept here. We need to know root word first. So what is meant by root word? Root word is number of carbon atoms. So you should know that root word is number of carbon atoms, where myth 1, if you take, we will write up to, let us take 8. So 2 root word 8, 3 is prop, 4 but, 5 pent, 6 is hex, 7 hept, oct, and so on. So first and foremost thing, you should know what is root word number of carbon atoms. Primary suffix and the secondary suffix. Primary suffix is nothing but either single bond written as ANE, double bond written as ENE, triple bond written as YNE. And secondary suffix indicates the functional group with high priority. So in the lecture of nomenclature, you can get all these things, you can revise there. Only we are solving the questions given here. Next, primary prefix. This is for ring compounds. We will use a word called cyclo. And secondary prefix is again functional group with low priority. So these and all we can see later. Now, first and foremost thing is, you should know the root word. We have to start our answering from root word. Hope you have understood this. Now let us move to solving this type of questions. First, select the root word. So in question 1, which is given as methanoic acid, if you split methanoic acid, a root word is meth, ANE is the suffix here, and oic acid is nothing but the functional group. So 1 carbon, and now C double bond or dash OH. So this is nothing but oic acid, carboxylic acid. Complete the valence here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hence you write it as HCOOH. Hope you have understood this. Once again I'll repeat. Meth root word. Therefore 1 carbon I have written. Then ANE is nothing but carbon, single bond carbon. We have single bonds here. Then oic acid is nothing but carboxylic acid, which is COOH. We should not get confused here. If they give ethanoic acid, then how do you write this? It means 2 carbons. Let me write 2 carbons. AN represents a single bond. Oic acid is nothing but COOH. First write the COOH. Then valency of carbon 4 can be written like this. Therefore, it is CH3COOH. But if methanoic acid is there, don't take 2 carbons. It is only 1 carbon. So the root word indicates only 1 carbon here. Hope you have understood this. First one, methanoic acid. Now second one is ethanol. AL is given. So if they have given ethanol here, again separate this. So ethanol is given, right? This is root word. AN is nothing but primary suffix, and AL is nothing but the functional group, which is secondary suffix. So how do you write? It means 2 carbons. Write 2 carbons. Then AN is single bond, already we have represented. Then AL is nothing but aldehyde. What is aldehyde? CHO group like this. So let us write aldehyde in this manner. Next, complete the valency of carbon. Here 4 bonds, and write hydrogens to that. So CH3CHO is nothing but ethanol. AL nothing but aldehyde. Next, third one is ethane. Okay, let us understand. If they give ethane oil, oil is given. Again, split it like this. It means 2 carbons. AN is single bond. Oil is nothing but functional group alcohol OH. Now to this, write the valency as such and complete it with hydrogens. So CH3 CH2OH represents ethanol. OL, nothing but alcohol. Al is nothing but aldehyde, which is written like this. Hope you have understood the difference. Now third one is ethyne. Very simple. So if you write the name, now split it. Here you have it is nothing but root word. Yn is nothing but primary suffix. There is no functional group given here. Hence we write like this. 2 carbons you write first. Then Yn represents a triple bond. Now the valency of first carbon, valency of second carbon is satisfied, and write hydrogen. So this is known as ethyne. Suppose for your example, take ethene. Again, it 2 carbons, Ene double bond. After this, complete the valency. 4 bonds here to the second carbon 4. Hence we write like this. CH2 double bond, CH2 is known as ethene. CH triple bond, CH is nothing but ethyne. Hope you have understood this. Next one, 2-methyl propane. How do you write 2-methyl propane? See, we have understood the concept, hence I am solving only the questions. Propane, before that 2-methyl. Now what is the root word here? Prop. Prop means how many carbons? 3 carbons. You write 3 carbons in this manner. Ane, single bond between the carbons. After that you can give numbering from any direction. Let us take from this 1, 2 and 3. So you write either from this direction or this direction, one and the same. Next, second position, methyl group is there. What is methyl group? CH3. So at second position write one methyl group. So this is done. Next, complete the valency part. Second position we have methyl. Now last step is write the hydrogen. So here also write hydrogen and here also write hydrogen. Hope you have understood this. So at second position there is methyl group, 3 carbons, therefore prop, single bond Ane. Now the last one is propane dash 2-1. Hope you have understood this. Next, propane dash 2-1. Now divide this will be your root word. Ane is nothing but primary suffix. Second position, what is there? You are having the functional group ketone. You have the functional group ketone. Now this whole thing you write the structure. First, propane. Prop, 3 carbons. An, single bond between the carbons. And second position you can write like this. This is 1, 2 and 3. So at second position you are having ketone. Therefore we write a C double bond which is ketone. Now the last step, write the valency here. Carbon 1, 2, 3, 4 satisfied. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 satisfied. The last one also 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds. Valency is satisfied. Write the hydrogens. If you write the condensed structure, it is nothing but CH3, CO and CH3. For your information, the common name is acetone. For 1 mark, the nail polish remover, nothing but acetone. Hope you have understood this. So this way you can write the structural formula if they are giving you the names. The second type is if they give you the particular structure, you can write the names also. We will discuss that. Let's move to question number 2. Second question, write the IUPAC names here. Previously we have taken opposite to this, that means from the names we have drawn the structure. Now from the structure we have to write the names. So again same thing you have to follow. Take the root word into consideration, primary suffix, secondary suffix. Cyclic compounds are not given here, so therefore you can directly take secondary prefix. And one more important thing is, when you will take secondary prefix, when the functional group with low priority is given. In these examples there is no second functional group in grade 10, so therefore if you are very thorough with this part, it is enough for you to answer. Now first question, always take the skeleton. How many carbons they give? 3 carbons. So 1, 2, 3, and the functional group is OH. Hope you have understood. Very simple. I am not taking hydrogens. Write the carbon skeleton and write the functional group. So 3 carbons. Therefore, what is the root word? Prop. Next, single bond between the carbon. Therefore, ANE will be written, primary suffix. So prop ANE. After this, because functional group is there, you should not have E here. And what do you call this? This is called as alcohol. And alcohol, you will take OL as the suffix. So therefore, secondary suffix will be OL. Numbering, if you take, because it is at first position, you can directly write it as OL. Or propane dash 1 dash OL. Because the functional group is written here, we are removing E. Hope you have understood this. First one is propane dash 1 OL, or you can also write it as propanol. If the functional group is at first position, it directly you can take it as such. Now second one, you see here also you are having OH, again the functional group. So numbering, we need to check with the numbering also. So this was written as propanol, first position, but now it is at second position. Again take the carbon skeleton, 3 carbons, and here it is OH, second position you are having OH. Now follow the same. Root word is prop, single bonds, ANE, remove E, and at second position OL is there. So it will become propane dash 2 dash OL. So this will be your second one. So if you want, we can write here the answer, propane dash 2 OL. Hope you have understood this. Now let's move to the third one. See, when you consider the triple bond, numbering should be definitely given from the side where you have triple bond or double bond. I am explaining like this. Because you have triple bond here, this carbon will be given as 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Now what will be the root word? Because 3 carbons, prop, and triple bond is there, therefore YNA should be written. So you will write it as propine. So third one is propine. Now next, fourth question. Hope you are able to understand this. Very simple nomenclature. 1, 2, 3 carbons, but here you have a double bond. I am showing you the skeletal structure. Again double bond is here, therefore numbering should be taken from this side. So double bond or triple bond gets the least number. Now 3 carbons, therefore the root word is prop, and because double bond is at first position, you can write dash 1, or directly you can write it as propene. So here this will become propane. Now the last question, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons are there, and here you are having the functional group CHO, which is nothing but aldehyde. And what will be the secondary suffix? Aldehyde is represented as Al. Now numbering, from the functional group we will give the numbering. This rule already we know, so therefore 1, 2, 3, 4 should be written. Because 4 carbons are there, what is the root word? Root word is but, single bond between the carbons, therefore ANE, we have to write the functional group, therefore remove E, and which position it is at first position, hence we can write it as butane dash 1 Al, or simply you can write it as butanol. So now the last question, that is again butanol. So using this method you can get 5 marks actually. So in that you will be getting both writing the IUPAC names and one writing the structure of the compounds. So in the next lecture we will continue with alkanes, alkenes and alkynes, which is the major part of organic chemistry. Hope you have understood this. All the very best for your examinations. Thank you so much.